Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Everyday Creations by Ruth. Today I wanted to stop in and share with you some of my inexpensive Father's Day gift baskets. But first I want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers and welcome you guys to the channel. I appreciate you subscribing. Thanks to all of my returning subscribers. I really appreciate you guys for watching the videos. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with my gift baskets here. These baskets I prepared inside of a waste basket. I saw these at Dollar Tree. Thought they were really nice. So I cleared the shelf on these. I like the size of them. And thought they would really go well with car wash and barbecue baskets. So I have 2 car wash baskets and 2 barbecue baskets I'm going to share with you guys. And this one here, I put in the scrub pad in the back. I added some of the new finish polish, car polish. I have some Armor All there. Put in the Ninja Turtle air freshener. I got some sunglasses and the Bold body spray. All of these items except for the body spray came from Dollar Tree. And this one, I have in the back there is some Armor All pads. I have the cleaning towels. I put in some Armor All wax, car wax, washing wax, I believe that is. It has the Ninja Turtle air freshener. I put in some Bold body spray in this one as well, and some sunglasses. Then I have 2 barbecue baskets. This one has the towel and the mitten. Came from Dollar Tree. I put in a plastic bottle container there for your condiments. It came from Dollar Tree. It came in a pack of 2. I just broke them up and put 1 in each of my barbecue baskets. Then I have some hot sauce. This here is the garlic spicy hot sauce. I have the Bold cologne spray there. And I put in a cup. The cup came from Dollar Tree as well. And then this one, I have the towel in the back. That is like the it's like a 4th of July towel. Got that from Dollar Tree. Thought that was really nice. This here's a mitten that I paired with it. I think I got that one from Dollar General. Then I have the plastic bottle. I have the hot sauce here. Can't remember what flavor that is. Then I have this cup that came from Dollar Tree, and I put in some Bold body spray. And I thought these turned out rather nice, so I thought I would just share these with you guys. I really like these waste baskets, so I think they'll come in handy for any type of gift. Got the little top part there, taped to the back of the basket. Okay guys, I just wanted to stop in and share these few inexpensive gifts. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And have a good one, guys.